So it's the next day. Beautiful sky. And yesterday was a little bit of a wrestling match with that auger. Definitely had quite the hard time with it. Oh, is somebody coming to help me? Yeah, I had my nephew out here helping me, and Mallory was helping a ton. And we dug a bunch of holes. They look something like this. Oh, buddy, we don't kick the dirt in the hole. We got to get the dirt out of the hole. He likes to kick the dirt into the hole. You're going to get stuck in that hole, buddy. Anyway, all the way down, 270 feet. A hole every 8 foot, essentially. That's done. Now we're just waiting on the delivery. It's going to come sometime in the next 24 hours. 1,491 items. And that's not counting, you know, each box of screws counts as one item. That's not counting like 500 screws. Yeah, it's a ton of stuff coming. But anyway, we're building a fence, and we got some other cool stuff that I'll try and start posting a video here semi-regularly, at least once a week or something. I gotta go get that kid out of traffic now. All right, talk to you later.